What's up, lifers? I hope y'all can see me. Still a little dark, trying to rain up here on dialysis days. Hadn't done one of these in a while. Try to catch fish before it starts raining hard. Been waiting 30-40 minutes on sunlight, been tying up stuff. I know if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all know what I'm gonna be throwing today. I got some of that billy bag from 6th Sense. We can go out here and see if we can catch anything. That ain't all I'm gonna throw, but that's what I'm gonna start with. Alright, we'll be back here in a minute when we start catching fish. I don't think they want any moving baits today. We can go try something different. That right there is one of them Quake 70s from 6th Sense. Came in the billy bag. That's saucy looking. It's a new prawn from 6th Sense. And the bluegrass magic. What do you think about that? I like it. Like it a lot. At least I can stand under the hatch on the car and put stuff up. Now it's acting like it's gonna quit, but I don't trust it. I know somewhere around 9 o'clock this morning, bottles probably gonna fall out. The old fishing wagon. Before I got the kayak, this is what I went fishing everywhere in. Today it's serving as a haul spice around wagon, fishing wagon, and trapping wagon. Lifers, y'all know it's never a good day when I do the outro in the car. The bottom is trying to fall out on us. The main reason y'all are going to see this, I'm going to shout the guy out. I've had this GoPro for going on 2 years now. And I've always wanted to know how to use a looping mode. Well, I've watched videos and I've read and none of it ever made any sense. Well, I don't know if any of y'all watch Weston Smith. I'll link him in the description. He did a video on it last night. How to use a looping mode. Oh my God. It saves batteries. It saves camera space. It's easy. I'm going to link his video in the description. Any of y'all want to know how to use it, go watch it. Now you got to watch it to the end. That's where he talks about it. Wow. Why hadn't I been doing it the whole time? Guaranteed y'all see more of the fish catch than the last 10 seconds of it y'all generally get to see. We'll be using it on the kayak whenever I'm brave enough to get out in this cold water again. Today is going to be the last warm day we're going to have for a while, and it's supposed to rain all day today. I need to get out there on Welch, out there at the power plant lake. They're on the beds out there, which bed fishing in a kayak's not near as easy as it is in a bass boat, but I want to try it. The last time I was out there, I seen one big female that was staging up. So, I've rambled on long enough. This video ought to be short. Like I say, y'all know what to do right now. Like, share, subscribe, run a playlist if you got time, and free Wi-Fi. I need it. And we gone.